everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a zombie tiger. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our zombie tiger, let's begin by drawing the face. I'm going to start here and we're just going to begin by drawing a circle for the eye. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then back in. For the eyebrow, let's just go ahead and draw a little sad face above the eye. And then right here, I'm just going to make a little line here for the top of the head. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. Then for the nose, let's draw a line that goes down and up, kind of like a triangle. Right here, we're going to go down and then up like this. And then down and then up here. Now for the mouth, let's bring this line down. Then let's go over. Next, we want to make a couple little points right here and then come up. Then we're going to come out like this. And I'm going to draw a few little points that go up here for like the fur on the tiger. Right here, let's make two little points for some teeth. And then let's curve this line up for the other part of the mouth. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a few little bumps like this. And then right above it, let's make some more bumps so it looks like its brain is sticking out. And then I'm just going to make a few little curly Q lines in here. Right here, we'll make a little line that curves around for the ear. We'll draw a couple points and then a little curve here. Now let's move down here. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down, and then I'll add a couple little points for some fur. Then let's draw a line that comes straight down for the leg. For the paw, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down and around. Another little line that's going to curve around. And then one more like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. I'll make a couple little bumps so it looks like a bite or something is taken out. And then I'll bring this up for the leg. Next, I'm going to bring this line over. I'll make a few more big bumps right here. But then this time, I'm going to make a couple little bumps right here. Then we'll bring this line over. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line down here. Then I'm going to come over and around. Another one around, and then one more right around here. Then we just want to bring this line up. And we're going to bring this in and put a little curve on it. Now, starting here, let's make the back. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that comes out. We'll do a couple little bumps here. Then I'm going to bring this line down and all the way to here. I'll make another line that's going to come down here for the tail. Then we want to connect it with a zigzag line. I'll make a couple little square shapes right here to kind of make it look like the bone is sticking out. Now let's add another leg over here. I'm going to start by drawing a line that's going to come out and then down. I'll make a couple little zigzag lines that come up, and then a line that comes over. Next, I'll draw 2 lines down, and then 2 little bumps here for a bone sticking out. Then right here, I'm going to draw this line with a curve. We'll come down here. And then we'll make a couple little curves for the toes on this side. Now, once we have our basic shape of our zombie tiger, we want to come in here and add some of the details. So one of the big details is going to be the stripes. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve out and then up. And then another one's just going to curve down and then back up here. I'm going to make a couple little stripes here and a couple little stripes right there. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up, and then down and up here. Then I'm going to make one that's going to come down and up, and I'm just going to do this all the way across. And we're going to go all the way down the tail. Next, I'm going to make kind of like a wavy line like this with a few dots in it to make it look like there's some fur missing. And then right up here, I'm going to draw a line and put some little lines across so it looks like there's some stitches. I'll do another kind of little bumpy line with some more dots in it. And I'll do a line across here with some more stitches. I'm going to draw a few stripes on this leg, and then a few stripes on this leg. We'll put some stripes over here, and then a few stripes right over here. We'll even put some right there. And then the last thing we want to do is we want to add the claws on here. So I'm just going to kind of color in some little pointed claws on each one of the toes. And there you go. There is your drawing of a zombie tiger. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.